Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video we will learn how to create a touch on off and touch brightness control 12 volt lamp using a ESP32 board. In this circuit you can see that we are using GPIO pin 4 as a touch pin. GPIO pin 16 is connected to the base terminal of the TIP31 transistor through a 1 kilo ohm resistor. The 12 volt LED is connected between the positive 12 volt and the collector terminal of the TIP31 transistor. The emitter terminal of the TIP31 transistor is connected to the GND pin of the ESP32 board. The GND pin of the 7805 voltage regulator is also connected to the GND pin of the ESP32 board. The output pin of the 7805 voltage regulator is connected to the B-in pin of the ESP32 board. The input pin of the 7805 voltage regulator is connected to the plus 12 volt pin of the DC power source, and the GND or negative pin of the DC power source is connected to the GND pin of the 7805 voltage regulator. Connect the ESP32 board to the PC using a USB cable. After connecting, open the Arduino IDE and open the code file, which you can download from the link provided in the description. Select the correct board and port. After selecting the board and port, upload the code to the ESP32 board by clicking the upload button in the Arduino IDE. Now you can see that when I touch the copper plate for the first time, which is connected to GPIO pin 4 of the ESP32 board, then the LED turns on. When I touch the copper plate second time, then the brightness of the LED increases, and when I touch it third time, then the brightness increases again. When I touch the copper plate fourth time, then the LED turns off. If I touch the copper plate again, then the process starts over from the beginning.